So here we are in IbisPaint X. Let's jump into the first update, the vector eraser. Now, you can select the area you want to remove, like this. I think people who make logos in IbisPaint will find this tool really useful. It even highlights the portion that's going to be removed, which is super helpful. Next up, they've added a new drawing tool, the rounded rectangle. It's kind of handy sometimes, especially if you want to make robot parts or similar designs. I guess it'll come in useful for a lot of creative ideas. Now, this next one is my favorite, the update to the Bezier curve tool. It's pretty cool. The interface looks different now, with a lot more options and control. Let me explain with an example. I've added this background scene from an episode where I turn Ben 10 aliens into realistic versions. You can check the link in the description to watch that series. So I'm going to make a simple trace like this. But as you can see, the shapes don't look good enough. Don't worry, IbisPaint's got us. If you click on a point, you'll get these handles to adjust the lines more freely. So let's fix this area like this. But here's the problem. We want sharp edges. Click on the 3 dots here, and you'll see some new options. Right now, the selected handle is in normal mode. Let's change it to angular mode. Now, when we move these points, we can easily create sharp edges. Normally, if you wanted sharp edges, you'd have to use the polyline tool. But with polyline, you only get straight lines, which isn't ideal for curves. And that's what IbisPaint fixed here. They added this new feature where you can have both sharp edges and curves. I really love it. See? You get that nice curve here and still keep sharp edges where needed. You can click this icon to disable the handles if you want. And the cool thing is, you can modify each handle individually. Make smooth curves on some and sharp edges on others. And finally, the last update. If you're using a mouse, you can right-click to enable the eyedropper tool. Unfortunately, I don't have a mouse. So the video ends here. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one. Until then, bye.